Hello everyone, this is Mihir Korulwala from Mirae Asset Sharekhan. Welcome back to exciting 3R actionable stock updates. 3R basically means right sector, right quality and right valuations. These are our investment ideas. Today we have an update on Varun Beverages. Analyst retains positive view on Varun Beverages and expects an upside of 36%, price target of Rs 690 over the next 12 months. In CY24, Varun Beverages registered revenue and PAT growth of 25% year-on-year, each aided by entering new international territories, distribution expansion in the domestic market, and capacity addition across geographies. During CY24, Varun Beverages became net debt-free following the repayment of loans using proceeds from Rs 7,500 crores QIP issue. Cash flows remain strong with OCFs to EBITDA standing at 0.72x. Working capital cycle improved to 29 days from 35 days in CY23. Going ahead, Varun Beverages targets to grow both India and international operations in double digits annually. Management is guided for 21% margins in India business and expects international margins to improve significantly in the coming years. Stock has corrected by 25% from its recent highs and currently trades at 40x FY26 earnings respectively. Next, we have an update on Bharti Airtel. Analyst maintains buy on Bharti Airtel with a price target of Rs 1920 as the company is on a strong footing, aided by strong underlying momentum across India wireless business, homes, Airtel Business and digital portfolio in India coupled with sustained constant currency growth in Africa. The agreement with SpaceX to bring Starlink's high-speed internet services to its customers is likely to augment the company's revenue by selling and installing Starlink's terminals through its retail network and targeting businesses and government sectors in remote areas with satellite connectivity solutions. We believe the partnership with SpaceX is in the right direction, although pricing and regulation challenges will render it neutral in the near term, but early telecom disruption concerns. At current market price, the stock trades at 27.4x its FY27 EPS and 10.3x FY27 EV to EBITDA.
Investment in securities market are subject to market risks. Read all the related documents carefully before investing.